Good morning, students. How are you? Take care about COVID-19. జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. మీరు ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండండి. మీ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉండి వాళ్ళని కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. ఓకే, టుడేస్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అండ్ డెసిమల్స్. In the previous class, we learned about fractions. 1/2 is a fraction. 1/3 is a fraction, not fraction. This is fraction. Fractionistlu veru. 4/7 is a fraction. These are fractions. What is decimals? You can write this fraction in decimal form. How to write? Divide the numerator with the denominator. Divide the numerator with the denominator. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. Here divisor is greater than dividend. So put a point here. If you put a point here 0 comes. Now here is 10. 5 2s are 10. It means 1/2 is equal to 0.5. 0.5 means 0.5. Here 0 is called integral part. Integral part or whole part. Left side of the decimal point is called integral part or whole part. Right side of the decimal part is called decimal part. Okay, 1/3. Divide the numerator with the denominator. Here also divisor is dividend is 1, divisor is 3. Divisor is greater than the dividend, so put point here, then 0 comes. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1. Again 0 comes. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1 0. 3 3s are 9 1. It is equal to 0.333 and so on. 3 comes unlimitedly. Okay, 4/7. How to write? Divide the numerator with the denominator. Here divisor is 7, dividend is 4. It is smaller, it is greater. Put point here, 0, 40. 5 7s are 35. 5, 0 comes. 7 7s are 49. It means 0.57. I'm sorry. This is the decimal. This is the decimal. This is the decimal. In this, left part is called, left side of the decimal point is called integral part. Here integral part also all are 0 0 0 0. Here 0.5. Here 0.333. 0.57. Okay, these are the decimal points. Now in 0.5, 0 is called integral part. 5 is called as tenths part. It means 5 tenths. 5 tenths. Next, 0.57. Here 5 is 5 tenths and 7 hundredths. Hundredths. Left part is called 0 or 1 or whatever it may be, but right side part is called 5 tenths, 7 hundredths. Right, like this. Okay. Here next, which is greater and which is smaller? Greater, smaller. Okay. 1/2, 1/3. Which is greater? In 1/2, 1/2 is equal to 0.5. Okay. 1/3 is equal to 0.333 and so on. In these two, which is greater. How to find? Now compare first of all integral parts. Here integral part is 0 and here also 0, and it means integral parts are equal. See next one. After the decimal point, what is here? 5. In this, what is here? 3. In these tens, which is greater? So 5 is greater. Therefore 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3, or 0.5 is greater than 0.33, and so on. One more example. Next one. 7.0, 0.777. In these two, which is greater? Compare. First of all, integral part. Here integral part is 7. Here integral part is 0. Which is greater? 7 is greater. So 7.0 is greater than 0.77. One more example. 1.47, 1.51, which is greater? Again compare integral part. Here 1, here also 1, both are equal. In this type, compare next digit. What is the next digit? Here 4, here 5. In these two, which is greater? One more example. In 1.47 and 1.51, compare first of all integral part. What is here? 1. Here also 1. It means both are equal. Compare next digit. Here next digit is 4. Here is 5. Which is greater? 5 is greater. So 1.51 is greater than 1.47. Most important point is it can be read as 1.51, not 51. 1.51, 1.47, 0.5, 0.333, not 333. 333. Read the digits after the decimal point separately. It means 333, not 333. Okay. Next one. Left part of the decimal point is called as integral part or whole part. Right side of the decimal point is called as decimal part. This is most important, integral part and decimal part. Okay, this is the most important, integral part and decimal part. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.